Okay, namaskar. Today we are explain about the centrifugal pump. Okay, so first of all, here the centrifugal pump, and here this tank is the suction line, and there is a suction tank. So the bottom tank shaded, and there is outlet. Outlet is the delivery pipe. And that is the deliver tank. That is also rotameter, and here the power consumption, and that is the happen the impulse. Okay, and let's go to the result delivery tank. Okay, the whole function of the that is the centrifugal pump. First of all, centrifugal start the main switch and start the main switch. Then the suction pipe is a suction the water and rotating the different stage and rotating the strap and strap to go the force the pressure to go to deliver the water. And here so that the here recently about the 400 about the nearly about the 4,000 liter per hour, that is the flow rate of the that is power to flow rate of the water we deliver the pump. Okay, and here the so that the impulse will be continuously impulse, and we are first measurement by the calculate the pulse, and we are taken the 10 pulse. Okay, we are start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, stop, and then we can taken the time, how many taken time, and that is the calculator that taken time pulse will be created, and also will be change the flow rate of here. Okay, so we are now change the flow rate of delivery rotameter, that is delivery suction pipe, increasing about the 5,000. 5,000. Okay, now okay, that is the constant. Then now recently second time. Okay, now we are second time we calculate the pulse. Start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so that is also we calculate the data. Then flow rate will be decreased. Okay, here the calculate the stick about the change the flow rate. Here the change the flow rate also change the delivery pressure. Okay, we observe that if the flow rate will be increased, okay, that is the pressure will be here. Okay, now then again we will calculate the pulse. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so that is a different calculation reading for that draw the value. If we are the flow rate, the LPS will be clear the higher amount, the pulse taken time much higher, and when the flow rate will be decreased, so the pulse will be taken the less time will be calculated. And if the pulse is about the 32 pulse, it means that 32 pulse will be created, that the 1 kilowatt hour will be used the electricity power by the centrifugal pump. That is the capacity of the centrifugal pump, and that base we calculate the power of the pump. Okay, that overall, and that reading for using the calculate the power of pump and another calculation of the. Okay.